Hi, we're here at SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, just right outside of Nashville. Our number is 615-641-7720. Today we'll be looking at a 7x16 Gooseneck equipment trailer. We do have our gooseneck with our safety chains as well as our heavy duty jack. This jack does have a capacity of 12,000 pounds, as well as a front basket near your jack. This trailer does come with side pockets as well as D-rings. There is pressure treated wood flooring, as well as diamond plate fenders. This trailer does come with two 7K axles on 16-inch wheels and rims. There are LED brake lights on this trailer, as well as 5-foot stand-up ramps. This equipment trailer is a Dovetail. There is an I-beam frame. Once again, this is a 7x16 Dovetail Gooseneck equipment trailer. If you were interested in this trailer or any other trailer we have online, please give us a call at 615-641-7720.